2025 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD CC. This truck is built for versatility for many uses. Its sensibility is matched by a spread of extra features, which include side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, four-wheel drive, Bluetooth, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, dual rear wheels, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control. This is a top-rated dealer. Get a fast and easy price quote today.